Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can edit your PDF on PC. And I'm going to show you two methods to do this. First off, let's start with something simple. We're going to have a simple PDF like this, right? So it's all text. Now, if you double click it like I did earlier, it'll open up Microsoft Edge like this, right? And on Microsoft Edge, you can edit this however you'd like, right? So you can add new text and you can start typing here. For example, I'm just going to type something random and there you go. We have a new text on it. You can also draw on this PDF as well. If you want to do that, maybe annotate something important. But the thing is, the way we can edit this is that we can just only add to it, right? If there's already a text in the PDF, we won't be able to edit it, right? There is a way to edit it with Acrobat, but unless you have a premium subscription, I wouldn't recommend this, you can see, because all of these is locked behind a paywall. Although there is a way we can edit this, the things inside of it pre-existingly, right? So let's just go back to our file, and on the sample PDF we want to edit, just right click it, click on open with, and then choose another app. On choose another app, scroll down until you find Word here. On Word, just click on it and then click on just once. Now let's wait for it to load. Once it's loaded, it'll show up this alert here. Just click on OK and then wait for it to convert. And there you go. You can see now our PDF is convertible. Just click on OK again. And now you can see we can convert it. So for example, if I want it to be only a sample and no PDF, you can see it'll work just like this. But this does have its limitation, right? So I'm just going to click on Don't Save. For example, what if we have a PDF with a lot more graphics, such as this, right? Now, if we have a lot more graphics such as this, if I try to draw on this and then add text on it with Microsoft Edge here, it'll work just fine, right? But if it's something with Word, so for example, we have this complicated one with Word, and I click on choose another app, again, open it with Word, and I click on just once, you can see it'll attempt to convert it to the necessary format, but you can see it's having troubles here. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.